So we just did the first 18 rows of the lightning pattern. And if you see how some of these angles play a big role of the lightning, and these bars right here and the bars on each side holds these angles that are happening between rows of 4s and 2s and alternating those colors. So there's this triangle right here, that's this part, and you have a little triangle starting right here, that's right there, and you see all of this angle right here, that are these rows. Isn't that just so beautiful? We have like this lightning pattern going. So beautiful. 18 rows.